Hi Facebook family, hope you're well. So I'm just trying to get the lighting right. It's a beautiful sunny day here today. Gorgeous blue sky. I'm just trying to get the sun out of the screen, so I'll have to stand still out here in the middle of the field. But I just wanted to do a Facebook video today to talk all about average v extraordinary. And I want you to really think about which are you and which are you showing on your Facebook. Because nobody's attracted to mediocre, or you shouldn't be. You need to be attracted to people that are high energy, people that are successful, people that are getting results, people that are very positive about life, have a positive mindset, have that work ethic, have that drive, have that focus. They're the people that most people are attracted to for a reason. Now, if you're not that person, you need to become that person. It doesn't matter how much money you've got in your bank. Success isn't related to how rich you are. Success is related to your results. And you as a leader is related to how much you can impact other people to make them want to take action. Leadership, leader, is just a word. It's whether you can actually get people to be more and do more. That is what takes you into leadership level. So look at the last 20 posts that you put on your Facebook, and are you really stepping up and raising the bar and leading by example and really showing you performing at full speed? I want you to think of yourself like a temperature dial. Are you low and cool? Or are you like fire and on full cylinders? If you're not on full cylinders, neither will your business. You've got to step up and raise the bar. You've got to show you're driven. You've got to show you're hungry. You've got to show you wake up on a morning with a purpose, because you're leading by example. If you're mediocre and living a mediocre life and running your business just on the off chance it might work and might just get a sale, or just wing it, or see if I get any sales today, I'll see if anybody messages me today, that's not going to get you success. Success couldn't care less what you look like. Success couldn't care less what colour your skin is, where you live, what car you drive. Success is all about you wanting to take massive action to change your life. You don't need to be rich to be successful. You just need to have the right mindset. And then you can impact other people around you to want to do the same. But like Grant Cardone says, and I'm a massive fan of his, excuse me, like Grant Cardone says, you know, you've got to take massive action. I have two kind of spectrums of people that reach out to me. I have, sorry, the light. Hang on, just need to get rid of the sun. Sorry, I can't really get rid of the sun. Just trying to get rid of the sun without me squinting. So I have two types of people that reach out to me. I have very, very successful people that admire my work ethic, congratulate me on my results, and say they love my consistency and my hustle. And then I have the opposite end that go, God, you work so hard, you're always on Facebook, you never seem to stop. The people that do the latter are people living mediocre lives. The people that reach out and notice what I'm doing on a positive know what it takes to be successful. So they're looking at me and thinking, she's a rising star on her way up. And they feel as though they want to reach out and let me know that they've noticed me. Now, I'm just a normal person. I don't have any special skills. I wasn't born with any of this. I've learnt it all because I've taken massive action. I'm willing to learn every single day to improve my skill set. I never ever stop learning. Now, I learn and I give it back on my Facebook profile, but by me giving it back to people, it's attracting more people back into my life. It's attracting more people into my business. It's increasing my following. It's making my messenger inbox ping, 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 ping. The more you give out, the more you get back. But if you're not operating on that, massive action daily, you're not attracting people into your business. You're not attracting people into your life, and they're going to look at you as average, and they're not going to want to join somebody that's average. They're going to want to join somebody that is having an impact on the marketplace. Now, if you're not that person, you can be that person. People are not attracted to money. The people that are attracted to money are the people that are looking for get-rich-quick schemes, that are not going to put the work in, and as soon as they get to the first hurdle, or as soon as they realise it actually takes work, hard work, they'll be off, never seen again. So you want to be attracting the people that admire you for what you're doing daily. You want to be showing what it takes for you to get the results that you've got. And if you haven't got results yet, you need to be showing people how committed you are, how driven you are, and how you're completely focused on getting a better life for yourself. People aren't going to wait until you're earning 10 grand to join you. They're going to look up to you and think, I want to do what she does. I want to do what he does. They're not going to wait until you're flashing the cash to join you, because there's no guarantee whatever you make that they're going to make anyway. So don't focus on the fact of, oh, I don't have any results yet, no one's going to listen to me. Oh, I'm not making loads of money yet, so no one's going to take notice of me. It's not about the money. It's not about the money at all. You've got to show your time freedom. You've got to show your location freedom. You've got to show how confident you are, how much happier you feel, making new friends, part of a community. You're waking up on a morning with a purpose. These are all amazing things to have that a lot of people don't have. So you can be impacting people before you've actually had results in your business. But if you're not showing this on your profile, how will people ever know what it is that you do? So you've got to be willing to share your story. It's like, now I'm just out for a walk, but I've got time freedom to do this. I can choose what time in the day I want to go for a nice walk. I mean, it's beautiful sunshine today. I'm out in the fresh air. I'm brainstorming about my business. I'm here working, look, because I'm doing a value Facebook Live. But I'm enjoying the fresh air. I've got location freedom, time freedom. Yeah, I'm working. Does this really feel like work? No. But this one video that's maybe like 10 minutes long will generate me fresh leads now into my inbox all day. And then because I'm a global business, this is going to impact now on every time zone around the world, which means that I've got leads coming in from one video all day, all night, and into tomorrow, because as more people watch this, they inbox me. So it's taken me 10 minutes to do a value live while I'm outside doing something enjoyable anyway. All I'm doing is showing you what I'm doing. This is how easy it is to be a successful marketer. I'm not here pitching you anything. I'm not here trying to sell you anything. I'm here just to let you into my world and say, follow my entrepreneurial journey. I'm inviting you to follow my journey. That's all I'm doing. Now, not everybody's going to want to follow my journey. I get that. But if they don't, I don't want to work with them either. I want to be working with people that want to change their life. So the people that watch my videos and are impacted by what I have to say, they're the people that I actually want to work with. So don't try and appeal to everybody and anybody out there, because you don't want to work with everybody and anybody. You want to work with the people that are willing to put the time and effort and money into changing their life. You want to be impacting the people that want to be part of your team, but you don't want to be attracting people that are not willing to put the time and effort in. If you have to, chase them up all the time, have you done this, have you done that? It's like my new business, the franchise I've joined. I have people that have joined up that have done nothing yet. They've taken no action whatsoever. Yet they can see all these results I'm getting. Practically every day I'm signing up a new franchisee. How can that not motivate somebody to want to take massive action? But yet they're on Facebook all the time. I can see the green light on, they're always on Facebook. But yet they can't even get set up. Now, if you can't get set up, you can't get results. They're shooting themselves in the foot, but it's not my job to have to chase them and motivate them. They have to want to do it for themselves. So if you've got a team, don't spend all your day micromanaging them. You need to be focusing your time on branding yourself and marketing yourself and getting seen by the right people that want to take massive action. And then you focus your time and effort and energy on the people that want your help. Because if they want your help, they'll be willing to listen to you and take action. Now, if they're not willing to take action, they're not the people that you should be focusing your time on. You don't need to be motivating your team. You should be leading by example and inspiring your team by showing what you're doing and how you're able to get the results. So thanks everyone for watching. I'm going to go now. Sorry, I'm shaking a bit. It is actually quite cold even though the sky's blue. So have a great day everyone. I'll catch up with you later. Bye.